Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to get into someone's my eyes only on Snapchat, which means if you want to see someone's my eyes only on Snapchat, then how you can do that. First of all, I will tell you how you can get access to the my eyes only. My eyes only is available in the photo section here. For this you have to click on the my eyes only, and the first method is as you have to simply remember your passcode. But if you do not remember the passcode, then there is also another method, which is as for this you have to simply click on the option button here. There are two options available. The first option is as change passcode and the second one is forgot passcode. So for this, first of all we click on change passcode, and here they are saying you have to enter the passcode again first, which means you have to remember the passcode which we have, which is on that my eyes only. So you have to go to the next option, which is as forgot passcode, and here you have to simply provide here your Snapchat account. And if you provide here your Snapchat password, so after click on next, if you click on next, then here you can see when you forgot your passcode you can no longer access my eyes only, which means if you put Snapchat password and if you click on continue, then you can access my eyes only, but the thing saves in your my eyes only will be permanently deleted and you cannot recover that things from any method. So I will recommend you to not change your passcode. So you have to simply remember your passcode so that you cannot lose anything saved in your my eyes only. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.